Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the classes general knowledge, lesson first, morality and ethics. Today we revise the lesson first. As you know that I have completed lesson 16. Okay, in this video we have discussed about the first lesson. So first we see the homework. As you know that I have given homework in previous online class. First I solve the homework, then revise this lesson. Lesson first, morality and ethics. Hello student, as you know that I have given homework on 23rd July. Homework is answer the following questions. Lesson 16, India in the 21st century. So I am now solving one by one question, all questions. Question number first, which Indian athlete won the first individual gold medal at the Olympics? Right answer is Abhinav Bindra. Question number two, India has been able to completely eradicate this major disease. Answer is polio. Question number third, at this game in 2010, India won a total of 101 medals. In which game India won 101 medals? Answer is Commonwealth game. Question number four, India has won this cricket tournament twice. Answer is ICC Cricket World Cup. Now question number 5, this lunar probe from India detected water on the moon for the first time. Answer is Chandrayaan first. Now next question, question number 6. Question number 6, what is the name given to the cleanliness movement initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India clean? Answer is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Question number 7, this is the largest metro network in India. Answer is Delhi Metro. Question number 8, this is the only airport in the world to run completely on solar power. Answer is Kochi Airport. And Kochi Airport situated in Kerala. Question number 9, A.R. Rahman, Reshul Pukoti and Guljar won the Oscar for their work this movie. Answer is Slumdog Millionaire. And last question number 10, this is the India's first private train. Answer is Tejas Express. You have write this homework in copy. You know that I have given this homework on 23rd July. So all of you have complete this homework, and you have in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay student, I hope you fine lesson. So today we revise the lesson first, morality and ethics. Morality and ethics. First, you point morality talks about the principles that help us to differentiate between what is right, what is wrong. Means morality give the differentiate. Yeah, they also differentiate between what is wrong and what is right. Okay. And the next one, the word morality originates from the Latin word. Morality, this is actually originates from the Latin word, and that means moralitas, in Latin word moralitas, which means proper behavior. Proper behavior means good behavior, okay, in manner, and character and manner in moralities include proper behavior, character and manner. These theory, these three, these are points related to morality. Okay, now here a list of description here, descriptions are given, and that refer to different values, and that refer to different values, but different values are given in jumbled form. Values are given in jumbled form. So first the unjumble the following words, and that are related to the descriptions. So first he see the willingness to obey, willingness to obey, and here jumbled word given B O D E I E C and E, and what is it? Obedience. First see O then B, then D, E, sorry, E, D, I, E, N, C, E. Obedience. Okay, see here. O B E D I E N C E. Obedience. Okay. Now next, second number. To believe or have faith in someone. To believe or faith in someone. To believe in someone. Okay, what? Trust. Here T R U S T. Trust. Clear? Now third number. Have high regards for think highly of someone. High regards for think highly of someone. And here is words given, jumbled words given, P R S E T E C. And what is the here? Respect. R E S P E C T. Respect. R E S P E C T. Okay, see here R E S P E C T. Respect. Next point is truthfulness. Truthfulness. And in this character truth. And jumbled word given O H S N E Y T. Honesty. H O N E S T Y. Honesty. Okay, next point is fifth point, tolerance. Tolerance. And jumbled word given A E P T I E C A N. What? Anybody? Patience. P P here P A T T I E N C E. Patience, tolerance, and related value, patience. Next, 6 number, to be fair and impartial to others. To be fair one. And this jumbled word given, TEUALIYQ, and given word equality, E Q U A L I T Y, equality, EQUALITY, equality. Next, 7th number, to be prompt and on time. If anybody work in on time, and what is say, this is the moral value of punctual. And you know that jumbled word given, N P C T A U L U, punctual, and P U N C T U A N. Here see P U N C T U A N. Punctual. Punctual means on time. In time is you complete within time. Those are elected by the other persons. Now next and last point, to be honest and have strong moral principles. And in jumbled word given, NITRERITY, and answer is INTEGRITY, 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 integrity. Okay, I repeat again, see one by one. Willingness to obey, obedience, to believe or have faith in someone, trust, have high regards for, think highly of someone, respect, truthfulness, honesty, tolerance, patience, to be fair and impartial to other, equality, to be prompt on time, punctual, and to be honest, and to have strong moral principles, integrity. Now all student, you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson first, morality and ethics. Homework is learn exercise of lesson first. As you know that I am solved the exercise of lesson first, and also I will send the PDF file of lesson first exercise. So all students, you have learned proper way. And if you not write this exercise in copy, then first you write, then learn proper way. And in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay, and stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.